In this video, we are going to see how you can write the effective prompts in Copilot and what is the role of prompt engineering, because in coming years, prompt engineering will be the most sought out career. So basically, prompt is anything which you write here, the command that you give to the AI model, which describes the task that AI needs to perform, is simply called a prompt. So what is prompt engineering? Basically, prompt engineering involves crafting special instructions that can be understood by the AI model to generate the relevant responses in real time. So basically, the art of giving the right commands is called the prompt engineering. And this is exactly what prompt engineers do. Their role is to guide the AI model to generate desired outputs. They actually write the detailed instructions to get the relevant output in real time. So it might happen that you are giving a command to the AI model, whether it's ChatGPT, whether it's Copilot, but it doesn't pull the right results because you are not giving the desired input prompts to the AI. While the prompt engineer designs the instructions in such a way that it gives much more relevant results. So basically, a prompt engineer is an expert in creating the text-based prompts. So I can write any prompt here. Let's write, what is the purpose of Microsoft Copilot? And I will ask him, please list down tasks that Copilot can do or perform. So let's hit enter and it will start generating the results. So here you see the results based on my command that it can perform all of these awesome functions for you. I can also try writing this command. Please show me some pictures of Switzerland. Hit enter. So basically what it did is it extracted the complete information along with the pictures for Switzerland. You can also see the pictures here. Click on see all images and it will directly connect you to the Bing. Now, whenever it generates some output, you have these options right here. You can like this, dislike this, copy this. You can even export this. If you like this information, you can download it in Word, PDF or text form. You can also share this on Facebook and other social media apps as well. It also has the feature to read it aloud. So if you click here, it will take some time.
Here are some of the beautiful places to Lucerne, a charming city nestled by lake surrounded by mountains and is home to the icon.
So as you can see by yourself, guys, how it is different from ChatGPT. You can not only get the information, but you can download it directly on the apps. You can share it and you can even play it in audio. So let's also see if you want to download this. Let's see if it directly exports in Word or not. And it sees files is exported. Some formatting and images may not export. So let's view it. And as you can see off the onedrive.live.com, we have the Word here in which it exported all the information directly. So pretty cool, right? And also if we close this and go back here, you can see all the summaries here. So that's it, guys. This is how you can write your first prompt in Microsoft Copilot.